Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about the basic principle of gas turbine and classification of gas turbine. First here we have discussed basic principle of gas turbine. Before we discuss the basic principle, here three main components. First is the compressor, second is the combustion chamber, and third is the turbine. In a compressor, air is compressed to increase temperature and pressure of air. Second part is the combustion chamber. In a combustion chamber, here the combustion of the fuel and produce the hot gases. Next is the turbine. In a turbine, produce the mechanical work by the help of the heat energy. Here, working principle of the gas turbine. In atmospheric air enter into the compressor by the help of the mechanical device or naturally. When the air is entered in a compressor, the compressor isentropic action is provided. So here compress the air. So here increase the temperature and pressure of air. The increasing temperature and pressure air is transferred to the combustion chamber. In a combustion chamber, inject the fuel, solid, liquid or gases. When the fuel is directly contact with the compressed air, the fuel temperature increase and the fuel getting the ignition point. So here fuel burning is and fuel is burned to produce the hot gases. The hot gas is supplied to the turbine. In a turbine, hot gas is supplied. So here blade is the rotation and blade is attached with the rotor and rotor is mounted to the turbine shaft. Turbine shaft is attached with the generator so produce the electrical energy and otherwise is produce the mechanical energy by the help of gas turbine. This is the basic principle of gas turbine. Gas turbine is a very compact power plant for producing the electricity. Here we have discussed about the classification of the gas turbine. First, according to the combustion or cycle process. First is the constant volume cycle process. Second is the constant pressure cycle process. Constant volume cycle process also called the Atkinson cycle process. Why is called a constant volume process? First, we have discussed. Here, 1 to 2 process is the isentropic compression process. Here, in a compressor, air temperature and pressure is increased in shown PV and TS diagram. Here, 2 to 3 process is the constant volume heat addition process. Here, heat addition in a combustion chamber with constant volume. The constant volume is achieved by the some valve properties of combustion chamber. Then hot gases is expand in a turbine in 3 to 4 process, isentropic expansion process. Then heat rejection process has 4 to 1 as constant pressure process. This is the basic Atkinson cycle. But in a practical life, its constant volume heat addition is not possible or is very difficult to achieve this condition. So here in a practical constant volume cycle is not used. Use the Brayton cycle or constant pressure cycle. In a constant pressure cycle, same here 1 to 2 compression process. Here temperature of air is increases and then transfer to the combustion chamber at constant pressure. Fuel is addition and hot gas is produced and then expand in the turbine. And fourth process heat rejection process. The analysis of the Brayton cycle we will cover in next lecture. Next is the according to the action of the expanding process, impulse turbine, impulse reaction turbine. This principle is also discussed in a steam turbine. So here we have not discussed this action according to expanding process. Third is the according to the path of the working substance. Here, according to path of the working substance, here two types. If one is the closed cycle, second is the open cycle. We have discussed about the open cycle. In an open cycle, air is entered in a compressor. In a compressor, air temperature and pressure increase by the compressor and then transfer to the combustion chamber. In a combustion chamber, high temperature and high pressurized air mix with the inject fuel here by the help of the injector. Here, when the fuel is entered in the combustion chamber, attain the ignition point and fuel burning will be start. So here produce the hot gases. Hot gases is passed to the turbine and produce the mechanical work, and some part of work is supplied to the compressor for running the compressor. Then exhaust gas is passed through the atmosphere. Here in one cycle to the another cycle, we have required the fresh air and the fresh fuel for the gas turbine. This is the disadvantage of open cycle. According to the path of the working substance, second type is the closed cycle. In a closed cycle, air is entered in a compressor or gas entered in the compressor by the previous cycle fuel. So here, working fluid is same in all cycle of closed cycle. Here compressed air and gas pass through the combustion chamber. Here combustion chamber heat is transferred by the external sources, not with the directly contact, indirect contact of heat exchanger. Here produce the hot gas transferred to the turbine and produce the some work, and again some part is transferred to the compressor. Here exhaust gases or exhaust air not to the atmosphere but supply to the heat exchanger where temperature and pressure is decreased and again transfer to the compressor. This is the basic one of closed cycle. For easily understand difference between the open cycle and closed cycle, here we have discussed the difference between the closed cycle and open cycle gas turbine. In the first, the air is compressed in the compressor and then heated in the heating chamber. As the air is heated by the external sources, so the amount of the gas here remains the same. But here, heated the air amount of does not remain the same because here compressor is heated in the combustion chamber, so the product of the combustion get mixed with the heated air. Here directly contact, here indirectly contact. In a closed cycle gas turbine, the gas that comes from the gas turbine pass into the cooling chamber. But in open cycle, the gas coming out from the gas turbine is exhausted in the atmosphere. In previously we have discussed. The working fluid is circulated continuously and the working fluid is here replaced by continuously. So here we have not required the fresh fuel, but here we have required the fuel. Any other the fuel process better thermodynamic property like helium and carbon dioxide can be used, but here only the use for the air because it directly contact with the fuel. Here no earlier wear of the turbine blade because the enclosed gas does not gas contained while the flowing through the heating chamber. Earlier wear of turbine blade as the air from the atmosphere enter the combustion chamber it gets contained. So here air is contained, here not. It is best suited for the stationary installation and marine use because air in the form of the turbine is cooled by the circulating water. Here it is the best suited for the moving vehicle because the air is again transferred to the atmosphere. The maintenance cost of this type turbine is very high, but this type of turbine cycle is very low. The more mass of the installation per kilowatt required because of the closed system, less mass required because it's the open system. Next classification of turbine according to the direction of flow is axial flow. In an axial flow, the flow of the gas direction is parallel to the turbine axis is called the axial flow gas turbine. In the radial gas turbine, here the flow of the gas is perpendicular to the axis of the turbine is called the radial flow gas turbine. According to arrangement of shaft, here we use one shaft is called a single shaft gas turbine. Here we use the number of multiple shafts in a series or parallel is called a multi-shaft and gas turbine. Next is according to the thermodynamic cycle. In according to the thermodynamic cycle, here simple cycle. Here no intercooling, no heat addition, no heat extra heat addition, extra heat cushion or extra heat supply. This is simple cycle. In here simple cycle with generation. Yes, some of the hot gas is extraction from the gas turbine and transferred to the combustion chamber. So here hot gases the temperature increase before the supply to the gas turbine. Here the heat addition process here 2 to 3 and heat rejection process is 5 to 6. Here this type of heat is supplied to the here. So here temperature reduced due to the transfer of the heat in a heat exchanger here. Here increase the thermal efficiency of the gas turbine. Simple cycle with the reheating. In reheating, when the two-stage turbine here used, one first stage expansion process, then again the heat addition. In again we put the here second combustion chamber and heat addition process here, and then expansion at the last point. Here two-stage heat expansion and two-stage heat addition process here 2 to 3 heat addition, A to B heat addition here 3 to A heat expansion and B to 4 heat expansion process. So here increase the turbine work. So work ratio of the turbine is also increased. Next is the simple cycle with the intercooling. In a simple cycle with the intercooling, here we have a use the inner turbo compressor. First stage compress, then reheat cooling the steam and then again compress. So here work required for the compression is less compared to the simple cycle. So here simple cycle with intercooling used for the here first expansion, then reduce, then compression. Here first compression, then again re-cooling and then compression process. So here work reduce. Next is the combination of intercooling, reheating and regeneration. Here intercooling part, here the reheating part, here regeneration part. In a cycle, this called the two-stage compressor or intercooling part. Here two-stage turbine or reheating part, and here 9 to 10 and 4 to 5. Here the regeneration part, denoting in the cycle TS diagram. Next classification of the gas turbine is according to the fuel. Various type of fuel used like a solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel. Last is the according to the application. The main application of the power of the industrial turbine where the load is not much required. And aircraft turbine or also called the jet propulsion turbine. Thank you.